So I still have the stereotype in my head that PHP is just doo-doo garbage, but I know it's changing, and I know it's changing fast. So let's check out what's new in PHP 8.3. And here's the best part is that the old code to the new code will also probably give you some good ideas as to what's happening in the last while. Okay, PHP is a major update of the PHP language. Then why isn't it not called PHP 9? Why is it 8.3 if it's major? It contains many new features such as explicit typing of class constants, deep cloning of read-only properties, and additions to the randomness functionality. As always, it always includes performance improvements, bug fixes, and general cleanup. Okay, interface I. We naively assume that PHP constants are always a string. But now, I can hit that as a string. Okay. Fatal error. Cannot do that. Not an error. Okay. Hey, this is a positive move forward. I like this. Why would you want to deep clone read-only properties? That's a good question. Okay, that's a fair question. Why would you ever deep clone read-only? I don't know. Maybe there's more to the story that we don't understand. All right. Dynamic class constants fetch. Okay, so we got a little bit of this. var dump constants foo class searchable contents. Okay, hold on. I don't get this. I don't get what's happening here. Constants. Oh. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I want to read code that does this. You know what I mean? Maybe there's more to it that's nice. Maybe I'm being ignorant. But whenever I see 2 colons, that's like static access, right? So that's like access to outside class. I mean, I know we can do it in JavaScript. I'm not saying that JavaScript's good, okay? I get that we can just take a class and for each over some keys and see if they exist on a class, okay? I understand that. No, it's not. It's dynamic. Dynamic static access. Okay, it's class level access. Is that a phrase I can say? Accessing things that appear on the class, not on the instance. Is that fair? New override attribute. Okay. Use PHP. Okay, I don't know what these backslashes are, but this person must be working on Windows. That's my only possibility here. All right, final class my test extends test case, protected log file, do all this. Nice tear down. Tear down. Boy, we're going to tear it down. Boy. Okay, calm down. Let's see. The log file will never be removed because the method was mistyped. Oh, nice. Ooh, this is nice. Fatal teardown has override. Okay, I can like that. I do like this idea. It's kind of rather an old idea. I mean, PHP is catching up to Java 1.4. I don't know if you really want to brag about that one. You know what I mean? Because I'm pretty sure Java 1.4 had this. I know it had it in 1.5, hands down. Used it all the time. But 1.4 maybe? 1.3? But it prevents you from breaking stuff. So, love it. Absolutely. Good stuff. Okay, deep cloning. Okay, I want to know this. What is this? Why would you deep clone? Because I do like that. I do like what someone said. Why would you deep clone read-only stuff? Because shouldn't you just pass references around? At that point, you know no one can change anything. It just is what it is. Let's see, we got a little class. We got a little read-only right here. Public function clone. This.php equals clone this.php. PHP is what? Public PHP construct this bad boy. Okay. So it's this class. All right. Read-only properties may now be modified once within the magic clone method to enable deep cloning of read-only properties. Modified once? So does that mean cloned can't be set? I'm a little bit confused as to this line right here. What is happening here? What am I missing? Because it says read-only properties may be modified once within the magic clone method. Okay, but this is not in the magic clone method, right? This is outside the magic clone method right here. I know clone calls it right here, which I get that. It calls this underlying clone function. Okay, it provides, obviously this becomes, it must clone, the magic clone method must instantiate a new object. No, I actually don't get this at all. I don't get it at all. I'm not sure what's happening here. Okay, I don't think I get this. The foo class is read-only. So why, so isn't PHP read-only then? Oh, I think I see it. Oh, okay, so this is a huge distraction right here. Okay, this is a huge distraction. I see. This function right here cannot be modified. That's why we're getting this error. Therefore, in this one, we're able to do it. Therefore, we're able to exercise this upcoming line, which is we are now using PHP 8.3. I see. Okay, I get it. So you get one chance, a read-only class, you get a chance to alter some of its properties on a clone. I'm not exactly sure why you would do this. Can we agree to that? For me, that's hard to understand why this would exist. But I can I just don't understand why. Okay, that's it. New JSON validate. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. All right. Let's see. JSON validate, string, bool, decode, last JSON error. Okay, var dump JSON validate, true. Var dump JSON validate, true. JSON validate allows you to check if the string is syntactically valid JSON while being more efficient than JSON decode. Nice. That's actually really nice. That's a great feature, right? Because checking to see if something's a JSON string is significantly cheaper than attempting to decode a JSON. You know what I mean? No need JSON if you use HTMX. This is a fact. Unless, if, of course, you have other servers giving you JSON, then you're totally screwed. New randomizer get bytes from string. Okay. Oh. Yeah, you just get random bytes from a string. This just grabs random thing. You can do this. Now you can just go randomizer. I really don't understand these slashes. Is this a thing in PHP, these slashes? I have clearly not been in PHP for a long-ass time to not realize that there's slashes, okay? It's namespace. I understand that it's a namespace, but why? Why did they choose that? Why did they choose that? I don't know why. Why? Okay, so they have this new randomizer. Okay, that's cool. You know how many times I've written this exact line of code? You want to know how many times I've written that line of code? A lot of times. Okay? A lot of times. I've written this line of code a lot of times. The amount of time, really, you've 0 times? You're telling me you've never jumped over to some code, I'm in Lua apparently, and had some sort of function like, rando list, right? And you take in a list item. I don't know how to do a random number. Is it math.random? Random? Okay. Can I just do that? Yeah. And have you ever not done this? Return list math.floor math.random list length. Like, you're telling me you've never done, where am I? Yeah, this thing. And then you build like a string from it. You know how many times I've written this thing? A countless number of times. Countless number of times. Infinity times. That's how we generate passwords at Google. Nice. Okay, well, whatever. Anyways, randomizer get float and get next float. Oh, interesting. Returns a random float between min and max, both including. Okay. This algorithm is biased for specific inputs and may return values outside the given range. What? It's what? I don't even know what that means. Anyways, there we go. Let's see. Chance for true. Might return an upper bound. Okay, small bits. What does that even mean? I'm not even sure what that even means. Randomizer, get randomizer. Boom, get it. Got it. Looks good. Next float. Okay. Userland, they think they're operating a system. I know. Random stuff is hard. It is hard. Random stuff is super hard. Command line multiple files. All right, command line linter supports multiple files. Nice. I like it. Nice. Random is fake. Yeah. Dev/random. Yeah, it's fake. This is great. This is fantastic. I am happy that PHP, in some sense, are catching up to modern programming languages of 2015. Like, this is good. I mean, I'm seeing 2004 stuff coming in. I'm seeing 2015 stuff coming in. Also, innovating right here. I like it. I like this innovation. Okay, This is good. New classes, deprecation of and backwards compatibility breaks. Interesting. They're brave. They break stuff. I didn't realize PHP broke backwards. Okay, let's go. Calling get class and get parent class without arguments are deprecated. Why would you do that? Why would you call get class? Oh, do you do it inside of a class and just knows? It does a lot? Okay, nice. Anyways, well, well done, PHP 8.3. You deserve all of these little firecracker effects you're creating here. I appreciate that. I don't know. PHP is kind of nice. I could use PHP. Like, honestly, if I had to use PHP, it wouldn't be a game stopper for me. I could just use it. I could just do it. I feel like I could just do it. You know what I mean? Like, I could get there. If someone's like, hey, you need to build this in Laravel, I think I could read the docs and, you know, like, I wouldn't be stoked to do it, but I wouldn't be unhappy. You know, there's worse things you can build in. Absolutely. I mean, have you built with React? Got him so good. The name is the PHP engine.